Hey everybody, it's Untitled Tattoos, and we show you how you make Persian Baghali Polo. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a small saucepan here, I've got 1 cup of broad beans or fava beans. Now these ones are already peeled. So, you can find them in most Asian supermarkets. If not, you can get the normal ones, then you just gotta peel them. So all we're gonna do is top this up with about 2 cups of water. And let's move on to our stove. Alright, so all we want to do is bring this up to the boil. Alright guys, so all we want to do at this point is just simmer this for about 2 minutes. Alright, so that's looking good now, so we'll go ahead and just drain this. Alright guys, so just in front of me I have 3 cups of cooked rice. Now I'll leave a link in the description on how to actually make the Persian rice, if you don't know how to. So what we're going to do now is add in our cooked broad beans in. And we'll add 1 tablespoon of saffron water. About half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, just 1 tablespoon of oil, or you can use butter. Next we're going to add some dried dill. Now for this much you'll need probably about 1/4 cup of dried dill. If you're using fresh dill, around half a cup. And we'll just mix that all together. And just look at that coming to life. Let's go ahead and serve this. And there we have it guys, that's all there is to it. So this is the exact recipe I use in my restaurant, so now you know one of my big secrets. The other way of actually making this is to actually mix the dill, broad beans, everything with the boiled rice and then steam it all together. Now that's not feasible in a restaurant because you don't know how much you're going to go through, but if you're doing it in a house, then yeah, that's fine. Now this is very commonly served with the lamb shank, and I'll leave a link in the description on how to make my version of lamb shanks. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.